Hi, this is Darla Demaro from Heartwork Organizing, and I'm coming to you today with a video blog instead of a regular written blog, which is my norm, because I am so excited about what we've been working on for the past few months for you. Right behind getting your house organized, the thing that people ask me about the most is getting their money organized. And so I have some new resources coming out for you about organizing your money. But before I get there, I want to, think about what that actually is. Now, you know what an organized sock drawer looks like. You know when your kitchen's organized. And you know that an organized closet is amazing because it helps you get out of the house faster. And, you can put an outfit together a lot faster when your closet is organized. But what does that mean when it comes to your money? Well, I work with a lot of people who are doing okay financially, but they're still kind of struggling because they feel like they're kind of leaking money, or they just don't have a good way to manage not only the money but the paperwork and all of the terms and the vocabulary that comes with it. So over the last 13 years that I've been organizing now, I've worked with a lot of people on organizing their money. And I'm going to help you apply the same 5 steps that are in my Sort and Succeed book to organizing your money. Now, what does that look like? I mean, when I work with people on organizing their money, they say things to me like, I am excited and I'm hopeful and I'm optimistic. This is definitely achievable and it's definitely going to make a difference in my day and how I manage, the decisions that I make. So I am super excited to bring structure to you. And we didn't say budget. Notice that. Nobody likes budgeting. I don't like it. I hate it. We're not going to come at organizing your money from a place of budgeting. Or the standpoint of budgeting. We're going to actually give you some new tools and maybe some tools that you've heard of before, but give you some ways to organize your money. Now, I have a whole bunch of things that are going to be coming out in email, free tools. I want you to go and learn as much as you can. Over the next few days, you'll be getting some more emails from me, and check it out. If you have questions, please, I'm here for you. So reach out to me, email, wherever you're following me on social media. I want to hear from you. Tell me, what would your life be like if you were able to get your finances, your money, more organized? I can't wait to come back and share more tools with you. Talk to you soon.